Science Expo, Prakruti Vignanam, the culmination of scientific curiosity, innovation and ingenuity. I am Monsha and I am thrilled to be your Master of Ceremonies today. We extend a warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, coordinators, teachers, parents and participants who have joined us today for the event. Your presence adds immense pleasure to this celebration of science and discovery. Today, we gather to witness the brilliance of young minds as they showcase their insight into our nature. This expo is the testament to the endless possibilities of scientific exploration. It is the love of country that has lightened and that keeps glowing the holy fire of patriotism. So moving further, let us begin a day with Tamil Thai Valthu, followed by the school prayer song. Now I request everyone to raise your feet for the same.
உண்மை பொருளும் நீ
As we light this lamp, may its radiance illuminate our hearts and minds, guiding us towards wisdom and enlightenment. I kindly request the chief guests, dignitaries, and the teachers of the science department to join us on stage for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. I also invite one of the parents to join us for the lamp lighting. Hearts are inspired with joy by your readiness to be with us. Today, dear guests present on and off the stage, you are so precious to us. Thus, to formally welcome the gathering, may I now invite Mrs. Sharmila, Primary Coordinator, on stage.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I heartily welcome to all to the Prakriti Vignanam, the 6th Science Expo of the Primary and Kindergarten of the United Public School. This is an occasion of joy for all of us. We have come together for celebrating this significant day. This goes without saying that this expo is among us our most treasured occasion of the United Public School, as it provides us with an opportunity to reflect on the nature and its importance. Our institution truly believes that good education plays a crucial role in building bright future of our children. Therefore, here we are committed to providing an atmosphere to our students where they all can imbibe good values and learn new things every day. I am extremely glad at first fact that our school committee members as well as teachers are leaving no stone unturned in working hard towards this direction. I welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Gayatri Ma'am, Principal of United College of Physiotherapy, a person who is going to radiate a source full of energy among us. Welcome you, ma'am. I would like to welcome our Honorable Secretary, Mrs. Maithili Shanmugam ma'am, the life of blood of our school, who sleeps less and works more in planning about the betterment of school and students. I welcome you in the most humble and prestigious program. I am glad to respectful and cordially welcome our Principal, Dr. Harini ma'am, who does not need any formal introduction, as almost all of us gathered here are aware of her deeds done for the development and improvement of our school. I welcome you, ma'am. I render my hearty welcome to our Vice Principal ma'am to this program. Welcome you, ma'am. It is a special pleasure to heartily welcome all the dearest parents, the coordinators, and the teachers who have constantly extended their love and support to all the high prospects of our institution. Children are our tomorrow's future. Finally, I extend my welcome to the students of the United Public School. Hope you all will have a great time. Once again, I welcome you all on behalf of the United Public School. Thank you.
In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he sees. With great honor and privilege, I welcome Dr. S. Gayatri ma'am, the Principal of the United College of Physiotherapy, to join us on stage for the inauguration of the 6th Science Expo, Prakriti Vignanam. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause.
Good morning to one and all present here. National Science Day is celebrated in India on Feb 28 each year to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. This day is celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science used in daily life of people, to display all the activities, efforts and achievements in the field of science, and also to discuss all the issues and implement new technology for the development in the field of science, to give an opportunity to the scientific-minded peoples. In today's era, education is not only confined to read and write. it is now linked to the holistic development of the children. With the efforts of the government and parents' education has now reached everyone and every child. Now the challenge and the demand in the market are not only limited to having knowledge, but it is also to know how impeccably one can present that knowledge. This is the reason that our UPS leave no stone unturned. We help students to express their knowledge and provide them with different opportunities to showcase their skills. Science Expo at UPS. Science Expo, it is a wonderful tool that engages students in learning new facts. It provides a platform for the students to use their scientific knowledge. When they give presentation in the exhibition, they become more familiar with public speaking and they remove their stage fright and impart self-confidence in them. It also encourages them to ask more questions to address their curiosities. In the year 2018 to 2019, we started the first Herbal Science Expo. In the year 2019 to 20, the student gave a presentation on the medicinal plant and we published the book on herbal plants. In the year 2020 to 2021, the expo was conducted through virtual mode due to the pandemic arrest. In the year 2021 to 2022, along with the herbal plants, we had students presenting regarding celestial bodies, human body and nutritional benefits also as a theme. In the year 2022 to 23, the 5th Science Expo was celebrated based on the theme Our Environment. Now in the year 2023 to 24, the 6th Science Expo, Prakruti Vinyanam, is celebrated in a grand manner today. Prakruti literally means the first creation. It is determined at the point of conception and refers to the innermost nature of an individual. To bring the inner talents of all children, the name Prakruti has been designed. And here we have our UPS kids with their naturalistic performance exhibiting their project based on the theme Universe, which includes all the living, non-living matters, discoveries and inventions in science and also about the important days of science. We are proud to have around 227 students of kindergarten and 358 students of grade 1 to 3 participating in the Science Expo today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it is with great honor and privilege that I introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. S. Gayatri, the principal of the United College of Physiotherapy. She is a seasoned professional with over 15 plus years of extensive academic experience in the field of physiotherapy. Her career spans across various states in India, where she has made significant contribution to the advancement of physiotherapy education and practice. Driven by the passion for excellence, and she has excelled in roles such as head and sports injury management team member for national level meets. Coming to her education, she had completed her Master of Physiotherapy, Cardiorespiratory Specialty in the year 2013 in PPG College of Physiotherapy, Coimbatore. And she had completed her Bachelor of Physiotherapy in the year of 2007 in Vivekananda College of Physiotherapy, Tirchanur. She has a strong professional experience on overseeing academic programs, faculty development and students' affairs, spearheading initiatives to enhance research and innovation in physiotherapy and ensuring observation with regularity standards and the accreditation requirements. She led a multidisciplinary team in providing expert care for the athletics at national level meets and conducted fitness screening and assessment to prevent injuries and enhance athletic performance. She has expertise in cardiopulmonary and rehabilitation, sports injury and fitness screening, sports injury prevention and health and wellness. We are truly fortunate to have her to grace us with this presence today. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to her chief guest. Now, without further ado, let me call our chief guest, Dr. Gayatri ma'am, on stage to address the gathering.
First and foremost, I'm extending my thanks to Maithili ma'am as well as the principal Harni ma'am as choosing me as a chief guest for this 6th Science Expo. And today literally I am excited to be here as a chief guest for 6th Expo. What to say, it looks very amazing. As well as I have to appreciate the faculties as well as parents and students who organized this event as possible. In this event is about Science Expo. Dear students, I am asking one question to you all. What is called science? Anyone? Anyone? Fine. Science is something to finding. Yes? What is called science? Okay. Science means to find something new, right? So to find something new, what we need, whether we need laboratories? No. Whether we need such equipments? No. Whether we need such complicated formulas? No. Just we need curiosity to exploring. And along with that, we have to be asking question, why? Because that reason, the Newton invented the force of gravity. So I'm encouraging each and every student, okay, you have to ask the question, why? Okay, because this earth is filled with full of mysterious, right? So each student is having opportunity to discover something new. So young scientists, I am wishing you all the best to make success this event. And along with this message, I'm leaving from the stage. Thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightening speech. I especially appreciated your insights on nature. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. With this quote,
very good morning, dear students. Are you ready? Okay, we are all waiting and excited to watch your presentation. Okay, I know very well you will do the very best, and my prayers for you all. Today, our college, dear volunteer students and all the students of engineering college and will come over here, and your dear parents and visitors will be coming over here. You have to present nicely with confidence. Okay, I know you will do the very best. Okay, one second. Best wishes for the day. Thank you.
I am studying in Junior KG section in the Unita Public School. I am talking about Babirusa. Babirusa known as in Tamil Mount Pandri. It is known as a wild epic. It has remarkable taste. Its native is Northern Island eating habits, leaves, fruits, and berries, lifespan of websites up to 24 years. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Kirtanya. I am studying in Senior KGA in the Unita Public School. I am going to talk about Black Panther. The cats are native to 3 different continents. Black panthers have retractable claws. Black panthers have extraordinary eyesight. The nocturnal cats hunt by stealth. They have an incredible sense of smell. Thank you.
Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Dakshan. I study in Junior KGA in the United Public School. I going to talk about cheetah. Cheetah is fastest land animal. Cheetah is 2,000 parts in their body. Cheetah is around. Cheetah is half cheetah. Don't roar. Thank you.
Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Hariharan, Senior KGK, Indian Public School. I am going to tell the chimpanzee. Chimpanzees meat. 2% of meat. Only fruits and plants. Only 2% of fruits and plants. Only 50 years. Only 50 years in meat. Thank you. Leopard is a dark yellow with dark spots. Leopard's young ones called cubes. Lifespan of leopard is 10 to 12 years. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Sri Lakshmi. I am studying in Senior KGA, India United Public School. I am going to say about hedgehog. Hedgehogs are black and grey, brown in color. A group of hedgehogs is called prickles. Their eyesight see not very strong. A male hedgehog is called boar. A female hedgehog is called sloth. A baby hedgehog is called hawklet. They eat insects and invertebrates. As such, they work to control insect population. When they attack the hedgehog, rounded like a ball, lifespan for a hedgehog 2 to 3 years. Thank you. Guruve Namaga. My name is Sanshika. I am studying in senior KG A section in the United Public School. I am going to say about giraffe. Giraffe are tallest animals. It is a grass fruit. Is that a man is called manners. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaga. My name is Prithvi. In the studying in senior KGA in the United Public School. I am talking about gorilla. Gorillas are larger primitive and that is living groups called tubes. That is herbivorous animal, very intelligent animal. Gorillas are up to 98 DNA with the humus. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is Lakshira. Junior KG section in the United Public School. I am talking about goat. Goat known in Tamil Nadu. Goats black and white eggs and the goats are very intelligent animal. Goats can climb trees. Goats are very brave swimmers. Male goats are called butts. Female goats are called dots. And the baby goats are called kids. Thank you. Otter are carnivorous mammals. Otter then is called cows. Otter babies are called pups or cubs. Otter are active hunters in the water. Thank you. Guruve Namaga. My name is Didulabinam. I am studying in Junior KGS in the United Public School. Going to talk about raccoon. Raccoon is hairy animal. Raccoon are hairy animals. Highly interested animal. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Nidasna. I am studying a senior KGA in the United Public School. I am talking about porcupine. Porcupine are generally solitary animals. Porcupines don't be. They are good swimmers. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Aisha. I am studying in senior KGA in the United Public School. I am going to talk about sheep. Sheep is domestic animal. It will be white and brown in color. Baby sheep is called as lamb. Lamb are born on 145 days. Sheep eat grass and other plants. Sheep have an excellent sense of smell. The skin is used to make a clothing, blankets and other materials. Thank you. My name is K.L. Lakshit. I am studying in Junior KGB in the United Public School. I am chili. Chili is green or red in color. They are very spicy. Chili can promote weight loss. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Kritavik. I am studying in Junior KG B section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about carrot. It is called as carrot in Tamil. Carrots are purple, red, white, yellow and orange. Carrots are usually conical or cylindrical insect. Carrots are firm, smooth and has a crunchy texture. Carrots boost our immune system. Carrots keeps our eyes healthy. In the second popular vegetable in the world. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Ananya. I am studying in senior KGB section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about broccoli. It's a green in color. It is cool season crop. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Paranita. I am studying in senior KGB section in the United Public School. I am talking about chow chow. Tamil is called chow chow. Single is a vegetable. This pear-shaped chow chow is an edible plant, ground family. It promotes heart health. It reduces cancer expert. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Hampasa. I am studying name Junior KGB in the United Public School. I am going to talk about beetroot. Beetroot is called as in Tamil. Beetroot is in Tamil. Beetroot is thick and round. Beetroot is very tasty. Beetroot is considered mostly eaten raw. Beetroot is very tasty. Beetroot is mostly eaten raw. Beetroot is considered very good source of iron, vitamin and minerals. Thank you. My name is Vijay Adi. I am son PKG in the winter public. I am going about hibiscus. I am a hibiscus and bloom in many colors. I have a few petals. You should make in oils. Thank you.
Ready?
My name is Madhumida. In a public hole, I am marigold. Good fragrance, yellow and orange color. Many colors, many petals, fragrance. Thank you. My name is P. Guru Keshav. I am studying in pre-KG, the United Public School. I am going to talk about morning glory. I am a morning glory. I am in many colors. I am in temperate shaped flower. I am in used for decoration. Thank you. My name is Purvasuri. I study pre-KG in the Public School. I am Dahlia. I am many colors. I am dry screen. I am no fragrance. Thank you. My name is Litik. I am studying in Senior KGB section in the United Public School. I am talked about Nips. Nips says it is called Kosikilangu. It is root vegetable. The variety of size. Nips has purple skin. Nips has bond tilt and protect the liver. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is P. Krishmita Sir. I am studying in Senior KG B section in the Unetta Public School. I am going to talk about Mooli white radish. In Tamil it is called as Vellai Mullangi. It is also called as daikon. It is long and white. It can be eaten raw and cooked. It helps in weight loss. It widely used in Asian cooking. It lowers high blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is Sherin Reddy. I am studying in Senior KG B section in the Unita Public School. I am talking about Ivigar. Ivigar is Tamil is Kovakai. It is type of vegetable. It is known as baby watermelon or little gourd. Ivigar is come in different color or green or red. People eat salads and curries. It is rich in vitamins and minerals and stay healthy. Thank you. My name is Yashmin Rana. My school name is Unita Public School. Cats are studying Senior KG B section. Talk about Sala. Sala is the cinnamon type of onion. The scale is golden brown, roasted, and inner face pulpy. In some green kind, it is bulb-shaped in undergone of soil. Salad may be eaten or cooked. It can help to prevent blood pressure and blood circulation. It also prevent ergot. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Michelle. I am studying in Senior KG B section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about red cabbage. Red cabbage is Tamil. It is called Savapu Muttaigos. Red cabbage is also known as purple cabbage. Red cabbage is also known as a nutritious vegetable. It is especially high in vitamin C and K. It may help keep our heart healthy. Thank you.
I am studying in Junior KG C section. My school name is The United Public School. I am going to talk about nuts. A nut is a fruit consists of hard shell. Nuts are packed with fiber, protein, vitamin and mineral. They are widely used in cooking or eaten as a snack. Cashew nuts, peanuts, walnut are few types of nuts. They are high in fat and calories. Nuts prevent from hair fall. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Pavanika. I am studying in Junior KG C section. My school name is The United Public School. I am the ice apple. Ice apple is brown in color, wrinkle in shape. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Amir Khan. I am studying in grade 1A section. My school name is The United Public School. I am talking about Venus. I am Venus. I am the second planet. I am the hottest planet in the solar system. I am also known as morning star and evening star. I am the second brightest object in the night sky. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Arun. I am studying in grade 1A section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about Saturn. I am a Saturn. I am the sixth planet. I am made of hydrogen. I have a fabulous ring around me. I am the second largest planet in our solar system. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Anitra. I am studying in grade 1A section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about Jupiter. I am Jupiter. I am the fifth planet. I am the largest planet in solar system. I am the fastest spinning planet. I have the shortest day of all planets. Thank you. My name is Asal Mithilesh. I am studying in first standard B. I am speak about flesh-eating animals. Flesh-eating animals are carnivores. Carnivores means to eat other animals. They hunt
they must find and catch to eat other animals. The big cat, such as lion and tiger, are carnivores. Many types of shark are carnivores. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaga. My name is Jessica. I am going to talk about palm tree. Palm tree are one of the most beneficial plant in tropical country. It grow in hot climate. There are over of 26,000 species of palm tree. Palm tree are not tree tall and they belongs to grass family. The scientific name of palm tree is Ericaceae. It fight against cancer. It can be used for household purpose such as palm oil, broom basket, mat. Thank you. My name is M.B. Muthiyayani. I am studying in grade 1 C section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about plants and their habitat, the place where an organism usually lives and grows in nature is called its habitat. Plants grow in different places. They can be found in dry and sandy deserts, damp and wet plains, hilly areas, valleys, snow-covered high mountains, and even underwater. The plants that grow in land are called terrestrial plants. Example, rose plant and mango tree, etc. The plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Example, lotus, water lily, etc. Thank you.
Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is Vishma Karthik. I am studying in grade 1 C section. In the United Public School, I am going to talk about living things. Living things can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Living things can feel emotion like anger, fear and happiness. After growing and living for a long time, living things ultimately die. Example of living things are human beings, plants and animals. Thank you.
Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Nikita. I am studying grade 1 A section in the Unita Public School. I am going to tell about root. I am a root. You can find me below the soil. I am brown in color. I fix the plant firmly to the ground. I absorb water and minerals from the soil and transfer them to the stem of a plant. Thank you.
My name is Dhaneshri. I am studying in grade 1 A section. I am talk about here. I am here sense of sound. I help you to hear different sounds around us. I also help you to listen good music and listen what people say. I can hear
20 Hz to 2000 Hz. If you really take care of me, don't hear loud from using a earphone. Almost take care of me from sharp object. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaha. My name is Aditya. I am studying in grade 1A section in the United Public School. I am going to talk about human being eyes. I am the eyes, sense of sight. I help you to see things around me, and I also help you to see beautiful colors and shapes of the things. I have eyelashes which protects me from the dust. I also have eyelids which can shut and open. All must take care of me from dust. Eat vitamin A rich food so I will be healthy. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Satvik Valavan. I am studying in grade 1C in the United Public School. I am going to talk about heart. The heart is a very important organ located in the chest. Each part of the body must get blood to do its work. The function of the heart is to pump blood to all parts of the body. The heart is made up of 4 different blood-filled areas, and each of the areas is called a chamber. There are 2 chambers on each side of the heart. One chamber is on the top and one chamber is on the bottom. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Shriya. I am going to talk about bare knuckle. It is marine animal. They are found along shores throughout the world. It is one of the oldest animal living in the world. It is hermaphrodite. It keeps good relationship with other marine animals. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaha. My name is Sarakshi. I am going to talk about stingrays. Stingrays are carnivores. These guys are pretty unique as they have no bones in their body. The skeleton is made up of flexible cartilage. Rays and scales are flattened fish closely related to shark. All belongs to a group of fish called alasmobranchs. They moved by flapping their wings. They rest, they bury their body in the sand. They, leaving their defensive of sticking out, protect themselves as they sleep. Stingrays live in salt water and fresh water and are carnivores, which means they eat only meat. Thank you. I am studying in senior KG C section in the Unita Public School. I am going to speak about durian fruit. It is a tropical fruit in Southeast Asia. It has spiky outer shell and pungent and flesh. It is commonly known as king of fruits. The prevent cancer and boost immune system. Durian is a good source of potassium. Thank you, ma'am. Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is Jaf. I'm studying in senior KG section, the United Public School. I'm talking about elderberry. Elderberry grow in warmer parts of Europe. Elderberry is the dark purple berry. It is most commonly used in medicine of plant. It has been used to treat cold and flu. Elderberry is rich in antioxidant, cholesterol and blood pressure. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaga. My name is Kayas. I am studying in Junior KG C section. My school name is the United Public School. I am going to fox grapes. Fox grapes is blue black in color. It is round and oval in shape. It is sweet and taste. It is good for brain health. This contains the best sugar, and thank you. Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is Adiksha. I am in the senior KG section, the United Public School. I am going to talk about cherry. It is red in color. It is slightly sour or sweet. It is small round shaped. It is fleshy fruity, hard in a layer surrounding the seed. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It is used to make cakes, ice creams, pies, etc. Thank you. Shri Guruve Namaga. My name is Saivika. I am in senior KG C section, the Public School. I am going to talk about corn. Corn comes from Mexico. It has many different colors. The world record for a corn plant height is over 8 feet. Cup of corn has 120 calories. It is used as bakery products and veggies. Thank you. In the United Public School, I am going to talk about woodpecker. Woodpeckers are found in forest area except Australia. They have sharp and strong beaks or drilling. It has a high level of intelligence. Most woodpeckers fly with short swoops. Each of their feet has 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaga. My name is Varghese. I am studying senior KG. This is the Devanta Public School. I am going to double crow. Crow wall, large bear with sign of laughter. Listen together in large family. Crow very intelligent. Crows are all married. Crow shows different types of cars to communicate. Thank you.